Hello and welcome back to Round on a Bike Base Camp. I'm getting quite close to the finish now of the Honda CB650C, and I'm just doing some last bits and bobs of the chrome work and stuff and trying to make it look pretty, and then we're going to put everything together again. Also, I got a delivery and it's the brake parts. I haven't opened it yet because you know, I got the wrong ones last time, but I will open it and I will see if it's the right stuff. Alright, so I think that's all the chrome polished up. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just to put the exhaust pipes on and then start reassembling everything. Then we're gonna look in the box and see if it's the brake parts. The battery is pretty new, so I don't have to get a new one. Also, I've charged it up, so it should be fresh. Now, put it back in, saddle on, and then we take a look in that delivery box, see what's in there, if it's the brake parts. Let's put the chain guard on and then we'll see what's in that box. Right then. Brake crafters. I don't know much about that company apart from the fact that the service is absolutely amazing. When I got the wrong part, they just said send us that one back and we will send you the new one, the right one, correct one. So sticker, very important. This looks better. Seals, piston, 2 of each. Right. So now I can assemble the front brake again. That was the one thing I started with, and now turns out to be the last thing that I will finish. Yeah, well. No big deal really. Everything got done that I wanted to do, so yeah, this is gonna be really fun. Okay, so here we are now, finally with the brake calipers, and as you see they've gotten a fresh coat of paint on them just to make them look less tacky. The original piston was not really that nice, so new one. Last time I did this I got the wrong size, but this time it's the right size. I had really good service from these guys at Brake Crafters, and when I got the wrong parts they said no problem, send us the wrong stuff and we will send you new stuff, so no problem at all. So got the new piston and the new seals and we're ready to go. Right, so now we're going to torque these ones down to the right torque value and put the final assembly, which is this little thingy bobby. And there we go, like new. And now all that's left is to assemble the other one and then put them back on the bike. If you like my videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you want to join the Around on a Bike community, get some stickers or maybe postcards from my trips, go to my Patreon page and you find the link in the description below.